clearly, loud and
Okay, so today basically it's just more of discussion, and then unfortunately that I could not see a lot of assignment again as before. And then I saw some, I wish the person that make complaint on group chat is in class currently, so that we could look through the correction. So if you know that you have any issue, it's just like revision class today. We won't take time so that we can ask more questions. So this was what we did last week, right? And then this was, the design, and then there's a prototype that we did. Somebody was asking question on a group chat. So, like, I don't know if the person is on this call. Is the person on this call?
So I was also asking a question too, but it was a
Okay.
lady, but also encountered the same issue.
Okay, go ahead. What was the question
Problem
like?
is when you go to prototype,
Wait 1 minute.
you
Let me share my screen so that have I shared my screen already? No. Let me share my screen so that I would get everything. So it's more like today is more like question and answer, and then trust me. Can you guys see my screen?
it's still sharing.
Can you see my screen now?
no, sir, it's still sharing, it's still sharing.
It has shared already now.
Okay, yeah, it's showing now, it's showing now.
Okay. Okay, so let's quickly, it's a quick one. So the first person was saying something.
Yeah, like when you go after designing, when you go to prototype, like you said
It's
earlier.
audible so that I can hear you clearly.
Yeah, I said that after designing, when you go to prototype, the arrow, those arrow that link the different designs doesn't appear. No matter how you try, we try linking it, but the arrow doesn't appear. I don't know why.
So how many designs do you have? Do you have just one design or two designs?
I have like 15 design, like 13 designs.
I'm not. Can you? I don't think so, because if you have just one design, it won't show any arrow. That's only when it won't show arrow. See, look at me whipping my mouse around it. You can see it's showing me, it's giving me the pointer stop. You can see here. You can see just me moving around it. By default, it should show. See, automatically, it will show. The only reason why it won't show is if you have just one design, because one design will
Also,
not.
I think the problem is I think we have to draw it from a node. There's a node that appears whenever you go on the design.
Like this. Is there a note here?
Yeah, there's a node there. Yeah, that thing there.
Yes, now it is this plus sign that you click to anyone you want now. So when you have something on it, like when you like your mouse is on the design, it's to show you an indent, which is the node. You understand where the plus sign is? You see, you just click it down to where you want it to be. Do you understand?
But how did you come up with this thing on your left? Because ours
Okay.
still shows the normal design we've been designing.
Wait,
Like
are you with your screen there?
no, sir, I'm not with my. I'm not with. I'm not
So
with
the
my.
best way we can solve this is if you can share your screen, so that we know that this is, because by default, when you are done with your design, and then you do not have just one screen. If you have multiple screens, fine, it will go. Do you understand?
I mean, this on your left, yeah, that side you are right now. When
See
we
this
go to
side?
yes, this side, the way it's arranged, like you can
Okay.
see, the way it's arranged there, ours normally be the same, like the way we've been designing it. It's not like this.
Why?
Like
So
you know when you design, you get when you start designing, you get when you start, you'll be like a MacBook. It starts,
yeah,
then you start putting everything inside. If you open
yeah.
another one, it comes again MacBook. That's how our own is outlined on the left when you go to
That's the same way now. See MacBook 4 and 15 Pro Max 342. I think I've edited one. So if you want to change this one, is that how you change it here, or you come here or you come to this place to change it to maybe let's say 1, 2. Do you understand? 3.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we use the node to connect. Huh?
Yeah. So when you come to prototype here, so you use whenever your mouse is over on the text or image, it shows you a box sign for the what's it called, for the image, and then and then show you a note sign where you say plus. Click on it, take it to
Yes,
the
sir.
where you want it to take it to. You understand? So that's how it works.
Please, I want to say something. I'm not understanding the class. So, because of last week, I was not around. I was
Please,
passing out from my
please
NYC.
be audible. I can't hear you.
I say, yeah, I was not around last week because of my NYC passing out. So
I can't hear
I'm
you.
not
Please be
understanding.
audible.
Wait, let me off. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Okay, I can hear you now.
Okay, I said last week I was not available in the class because of my NYC passing out. So I'm confused in what you are saying now.
Do you watch the video on YouTube?
I didn't see the video. I was searching for it, but I didn't see it.
Do you subscribe to the YouTube channel?
If I subscribe, not yet.
If you subscribe, you should have seen the latest video that we uploaded.
Okay,
Just
maybe
like,
I'll go back to it.
just
But I'm
like,
still confused in this one that you are teaching us now.
So I will share the link for her. We'll share the link for her.
yes. So the video, I didn't you watch the last week video. It's easier. You get.
Because I'm done with my design. I'm trying to navigate, but I'm not getting it.
How to navigate from one place to another, Abby?
Yes, now from that initial one that you taught us about 2 weeks ago, Abi.
So the same thing does in terms of photo. When you are done your design, look at my mouse here. It's on design. Where you have this. So you come to prototype to move from one place to another. So let us delete this one that we've done before. Let's delete this one that we've done before. No again we've done before. What I need to again. Okay. So now, for instance, I want that when we click on this one to take us to this part, just for example. So you look at, I click on this, I will move my mouse on this. So you show me option, where do I want to click? So I just click on the plus sign, take me to this. Do you understand? So it's telling me that, look at property here, on top, on tap rather, when you tap it, you take you here. This is mouse enter, mouse leaving, touch down, but let's do on top. So it's navigating from 1 to 2. Navigate to 2. It should be instant, right? So let's do it last one. To what? 3. See, navigate to 3. You understand? So let's now play it. Let's play it now. You see it now. So you see what we just did now.
If your computer for locks are created up, your first instinct is probably hold the power button, but that's wrong. What you should do is press Control-Alt-Delete, and while still holding Control, press the little power button in the right.
Do you see now? This is what we did now. So when we click on this, it will go to the next one. Click on this, it will go to the next one. So now let's go back to this. Now when I click on this, I want to take me back to this part. So when I click on this cancel here, it will take me back to the beginning. Do you understand? So let's go back to it. So let me click on this cancel here. Take me back to the home page. Do you understand? Do you understand the analogy now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understand? So you can move from anywhere to anywhere depending on how you want it to go by your arrow. So I'm doing this for the person that asked me a question. Is that lady there? Hello? Please, can you hear me?
So we can hear you. I think she's not here.
Oh, okay. So in case you have another question that would you might likely to ask, let me know. So it's just more like questions, sections, and then you get.
So how do you connect? How do you connect like for when you're doing this thing, the mobile version, when you're doing a mobile version and you're doing a MacBook or a desktop version, how do you connect both mobile and desktop, like from desktop to come to mobile?
How do I what?
How do you connect like from mobile to desktop or desktop to mobile after doing a mobile design and a desktop design for one website? How do you connect both?
Yeah, there's a link. There's a link for the what's it called, for mobile from the website. So under the website, there's a landing page where when you click it, tell you to give you a link where you are able to download the mobile. Do you understand? Is that what you're asking?
No, I mean after designing, after we've designed a mobile version, we've designed a desktop version, how do you link both?
Okay, no.
Well,
Your job is to design the mobile version. It is the job of the developer. It is their job to, make sure that what is on the web fits in on the on mobile. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. So that ours is just to design mobile.
Yeah. You are just the architect of the idea. You are the architect of the design, the solution. Let me use that.
Okay, sir.
So, sir, my question, like,
Okay.
creating this design, like each page, yes, is each page. Do we have to create a fresh frame, or we can do copy and paste, then do the editing?
No, copy and paste. You have to be. You do copy and paste and do editing, and that's it. So that you.
Okay. Now
So just
doing
like
copy.
just like this now, we did copy and paste. But
Okay.
for you to do copy and paste is very easy, because if you click on this now, you can see it's advisable that you group, right click and group section. You understand? So when you group it, so it's very easy for you to copy. When you're copying everything. So nothing is going to be left out.
Okay.
Do you understand? So you
Yes,
won't see
sir.
that maybe one aspect is lost or one aspect. So you understand? So when you're done copying, you just come here, right click again, then on group, then everything will scatter back. Then you can now work on it one by one.
Okay. Sir, also, like, I realized, I think I raised this question 2 weeks ago when I was editing. Although I did not group mine, after I logged it up. I think I logged the page after creating the page. Then I copied and pasted, right? So after doing that, I unlocked the page I was to work on. Trying to work on it again, I discovered that this thing scattered. It was still inside that page, but some were marked. I couldn't see some. I have to start tracing it one by one.
No. The best part, if you notice the way I design, the person I used to do is I'll design the home page. You understand? Then copy to the next page. So I'll just remove anything I want to remove from the home page, then impute the new one, the new information I want. So the reason why it was like that was because maybe you did not group it. So if you actually grouped it, you might not face that kind of stuff that you have.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
So any other question, please? So let me give you the hint of next year, for those of us that are here, is going to be next month is when we are ending, so it's fully practical. If I have just 10% that submit his assignment, those are the people that will graduate, in the sense that we will be doing both landing page, we will do mobile page, we'll do full websites, we'll do what is it called? So 1 per week. So that the full month that we are ending, that we are doing next month is going to be full package, and those will be what we are going to hold on to, because the first 2 months is just for us to know the underground work, how it works. So the design is going to be from scratch to develop. Let me go back to the website that we did the last time. So this is where we started from, using a my internet is not stable. Why? Incoming, 1 minute. So how many of you, how many of us actually enjoy the class? The class basically. Do we really enjoy the class?
Yes, so
do
I
we learn something?
yes, I learned a lot and it was interesting.
Thanks, though. So we started from this. So if you remember, we started doing landing page, we do a website where we do a what's it called, a real estate sample website. If you understand all this that we did the last time. You get. Do you remember all this that we did when we started? Do you remember all this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The blurring effect, color
now,
mixing.
We've done a lot, and then we see how it is. So let's imagine, like, we want to do the product for this. Like, we want to do product for this now. Let's imagine. So same thing that we did there. So now this is what I'm talking about. Let's copy this. Control D. Let's just copy as much as possible. Copy. You get. So I'm using this. So regardless of what you do. So now this is your home page. Right. So let's go to prototype. So let's increase this to so that we can see it. Let's make it. Let's see. Okay. So now we are on prototype now. As you can see, when I click on design, it's showing me. So this is the logo. It's showing me where do I want to put this. So look at the plus here. See, it's taking me to this part. You get. So the same thing goes to O. Trust me, you can have millions of crossing lines. So when you are developing a lot of design, so you can see. Then this one takes me to this part. Sorry. Do you understand how I'm doing it? Do you guys understand what I'm doing here, though?
Yes, we do, sir.
Yes. I'm just trying to see how you can see. You can have multiple images, multiple clicks. You get. You can see. You can see how busy this could be. But this one will not show your screen, though. This is behind the work. This is a movement. This is the movement. You get, but this is the design. Do you understand? The design, the movement, the design, the movement. Do we see? So let's assume, let's go back to design. Let's write, let's assume these are our cancel, our close. Let's say these are our close. Let's put this and write close. So for example, close, right? So now let's go back to, so when I come here to close back to the, so let's do close from here, it will go back to our home. This is our home here. Do you understand? So let's play what we've done and let's see. Let's see what we did. So the both on mobile, on app, on desktop, on tablet, the same pattern works. It does not mean because you are doing it on mobile, that's the way it works. If you are doing it on desktop, that's the way it works. If you are doing it on app, that's the way it works. The movement is the same thing. The difference is just the transition you decide to use. So let's watch out now. Let's see what it does. It's loading in place. The screen is on mobile version. Sorry. Should have been on desktop. So I don't want to redesign it. That was the problem. The layer we chose before, though, sorry. The layer that was chosen was on mobile. Let me check. It's on mobile, so that's why. Let's see. Let me do the type on this. Let's see. Why this thing I'm getting? Sorry, guys. Oh, where's my desktop? Where's desktop? Are you showing me mobile version here?
Say fine. Say fine.
Yes,
All those spoil the finest. I jump. I'm fine.
maybe like 4, 5, 6. I'm trying to adjust. Maybe I could shape it to, because that's not the real size of it. So it was designed on what's it called? 1, 2, 6, 5. Let me see. I'm trying to adjust it to, height should be like 2,000.
What kind of enjoyment are you enjoying?
Okay. I somebody like this. Hello, guys. Are you guys confused? Hello? Are you guys here?
Yes. Sir. No, sorry,
Yeah.
if I get it though.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. We can
Yes,
hear
I
you.
Do you guys see what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm actually doing basically was because the template was meant for phone, so I'm trying to adjust it better. So that and to adjust is very simple. Just come to prototype and keep it size here. Okay, so coming. It's just the same pattern of what we used to do before. So nothing big, no big deal here, please. So just know where you are going from and where you are coming from. Where you are going to and then where you are going from. I just want to check something. I just want to use to explain. Close. So just come back here. Just come back here. Close to this part. Okay, so good. So let me do next. Maybe I'm going to see. I'm doing something though, please. Next. Next should be right. So this is for learning purposes. Oh, please, oh, don't do like this. Just do it for learning purposes so that we can learn. Next. So when you click on this, it will go to the next one for me. Okay. Let me go to prototype and after come here. My next is here. This other next here goes to this next here. Okay. The next one goes to this one. Then this other one. Okay, no more next. No more next again. Need this one. Good. So yeah, let's play. Let's see. Let's see the outcome. How's it look? How is it? So next, that's going to the next, other next. You understand? Next. You understand? So that's the last next. So the close. So then when you press on close to take you back to your home. Do you understand? So the point about this, what's it called? It's not about maybe you are doing it on a mobile, you are doing it on the. You understand? If it is on a mobile, it's the same pattern. If you are using it on the tablet, the same pattern. If you are using it on the desktop, it's the same pattern. I don't know, maybe you understand. It's very interesting. Try and get it right. So we want to close it. We get next, then close to go back to the home. So any other question again? Is there any other question, please? Like generally from the beginning of this class. Like, do you have any encounter again so that our next phase is going to be more fully practical? And then, it's possible that we share our screen. Like, some of you might need to share your screen the next month. So I would advise you to come with your laptop next month. So we might be doing, sharing your screen. And then one person will design and we all see at the same time. We record ourselves too from that aspect. Is that clear? Are you guys here?
Yes, sir.
So we're here.
Do you understand what I just said now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
we did.
Yes, sir.
Starting from next month, which is January, it's possible that we need to come to our laptop and we share your screen based on you are going to be designing for us and we are going to correct you on recorded. Do you understand? So that we are going to know where the error is coming from. so that we can solve it together. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, please, I have one question.
Yeah, good. Go ahead.
Please, how do you do moving like images that play on websites and I don't know, the ones that actually move?
How do we what?
How do you do images that move on websites, like when you're designing? How do you achieve that?
Images that move on websites.
Yes, like a video on a website that is actually playing, or like an image that is moving, like maybe yes, like
If you mean you have a video.
yes, like if you go to the flutter waiver, the globe whatever moves, the globe image moves on the website.
Well, let's go there together. Let's see. Let's check it together. Sorry, my sister. Why is it hanging? Okay, all right. Okay, so which of the logo is flying, please?
So you go down the globe image down.
Okay. This is the last part of it, please.
No, go up a bit. You move your screen to the other side. Move your screen to the other side. Yeah, you see the image on your right hand side.
My right hand side.
Yes, this one.
This one is moving. Let me check. So this one, if you have it could be done in two ways in design. Yeah. Come here. There's this what's it called? Go to your design. I don't know why this thing is hanging. Go to design. For instance, this shape here, right click. See, watch. So when you see what's this? Do you see this video option? Video.
Yes, sir.
If you want to add video, you just click on it and add video. It will be there, just like the way you add the pictures. You can see this image. This video. When you click on it, it will open a box where you click your image. You have to be a professional team to edit and add video, which means that if you want to add video, you must pay for a premium package for it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It's a special feature. But naturally, if you do not have that, if you are not fully not have the full package, you design it, you just put an image, then there's a note that you not put there like rotation. So the developer, when it's developing it, know that okay, to rotate it's just a command line. You understand? Rotate 360 automatically, and image that image will be rotating at that point.
Oh, okay, sir.
But if you want to achieve it as a UI person, it's possible, but it has to be professional account. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
So let me assume that there's no more question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please, Merry Christmas to everybody in advance. Merry Christmas already, not even advance again. Merry Christmas, and then hope to see you next year. Next year, we are sharing our screen. It's compulsory. Come with your laptop and share your screen. Share your screen and share your assignment. So don't forget, read through or watch those videos from beginning to end to be able to get one or two things during the holiday. And then you can go online as well. I think I have a YouTube channel too, right? But just that I do some of these videos too there, and then I do some of my technology videos too there. Is Olumedia that's the YouTube. So you could check other YouTube channel, you could check other YouTube videos and see how things has been done. Trust me, the basic thing you need to be a UI person, it is what I've enlightened us to do it. Those are the basic things you need. So the other thing you need to do is just to develop yourself by doing what? Watching other people's tutorial and see what they do. You understand? But the basic thing that you need to do is what I've what basic thing you need to know is what I've showed us. Do you understand? So that's it. So in case you have any other question for the last time before we call it a day.
Is there a standard font? Is there a standard font size? Like for websites, a standard font size for
They have standard font size now. So basically for the header font size basically is between like a bigger section, like that flutter wave, that big flutter wave section. That flutter wave section. Let me give you the basic point. So you can see this one. This is a big header. This is between 36 to 48. But normally, this what's it called? This menu here, the menu is majorly between 14 to 16. You understand? Then it takes max 14. You get. So that's it. It depends on what you want to achieve. You understand? So these are 12. Footer are mainly 12. Footers are mainly 12. Then body is max 14. Do you understand? So that's it. So thank you guys for joining today. Hope to see you second Sunday in 2024. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. No, thanks.
Okay, I'll break you. Wow. Yeah.
Thanks. Make sure you watch your video, watch those your videos and learn some stuff.